Hey there, so I have these HT Auto side skirt extensions and little rear bumper extensions. Gonna replace the existing knockoff ones I got on the car. I think it should complement it pretty well. Go right there on the rear and replace the sides, and should flow pretty well with my J&A front lip I got. Just look real nice. So I got this little palm ratchet from Harbor Freight. Got most of my tools from there, but oh man, this first time using it, beauty. I love it. Definitely a must buy. I bought all 3 sizes too, so definitely excited. So I got these just held on by little self tappers going along the bottom. Couldn't really use the factory clips, unfortunately. I Dremelled it out, but the way this is molded from the company that made it, it doesn't fit the side skirt at all. So, you know, I Dremelled them out for all the holes, but they didn't work. So just threw some self tappers in there just to hold it into it. Yeah, I also bought the rear extensions for where the rear spats go, but the wagon bumper and the sedan bumpers don't really line up that well. So the wagon bumpers dip right here where the sedan bumpers dip right back here under the taillights. So that definitely explains why it said wouldn't work for wagons, but hey, figured try it anyway, hope for the best. So yeah, let's get at it. Jacked it up, put some good old stands underneath, and let's start taking it apart. I was able to get one clip attached into it. You gotta really force it in there, but this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna look way better than the other one, so see how it goes. All right, so this is the extension for the other side. You can see it comes with double-sided tape. I didn't take it off when I put this one on, and you can see that I just put these over the clips instead of putting the clips through them to hold the extension and the side skirt to the body. So my game plan down the road, what I envision is to take these back off, get them all prepped, and wrap them in carbon fiber along with the front lip also, and figure something to do with the rear spat so that way you can have a nice lip all around the body with a nice carbon fiber overlay, kind of like I did right there, and on some of the interior pieces also. So shout out to J&A Performance for this front lip, always looking good. Don't mind the dirtiness. Side skirt extensions looking amazing from HT Auto. Got them from Fast WRX. So if you're looking for the side skirt extensions and the rear spat extensions, they got them in stock over there. I just can't get over the fitment of installing them. It's just high quality. It looks so good with the front lip. Alright, so that's the install of the HT Auto side skirt extensions, and I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.